This video lecture I'm going to explain you how you can insert form controls in Excel. So what are form controls? So let us understand that. You need to go to Developers tab, and in that go and click Insert. In Insert you will get form controls. So there are multiple options available over here. That is a button. So I selected the button and I draw a button over here, and it will get automatically assigned a macro which is called as button one click, and I can click OK over here. And over here here is the button, and it's movable over here because we are we have clicked it. Now it is appearing as a pointer which has changed into a hand, and if we click it, then it says that cannot run the macro because the macro may not be available in the workbook, because we have not written the macro for that, we have just named it, right? And then we can go to the Visual Basic Code Studio over here, then go to sheet 1, and or rather we will go and select this button and assign a macro button one click, or what name you want, say button one click, then say record it, record the macro. I click OK. So what I want to do is I want to select this cell and then highlight it as yellow, and then I want to select this cell and highlight it as yellow and write here over as 10. So I want to perform all these actions, and I can stop it by clicking the stop button over here. And if I now click this, then all these things will happen. But let's say change this value to 1, change this color to say black, and this color again to black, then click the button, it will again get me those colors. So button is like form control, which has a button type of property. If you remember, like we also created a similar type of art by using this rectangle and then assigning it a macro as button one click, say OK. And if I click this, then there is no animation happening around this rectangle. Though it performs all the task, there is no animation happening around this rectangle like a button press animation. However, here there is a button press animation, that shadow is changing over here, you can see that. So you can add these types of form controls using this insert inside the developer tab over here. There are other controls like checkbox is there, so you can add a checkbox and name it as say uh, apples or something like that. And if I click this, then something should happen on that. So this kind of event you can generate, or you can use this checkbox whether tick or not tick, so as to do certain actions inside your VB code. Again, there are multiple options like next is this spin button, then list box. So in list box you can draw a list box over here, and then let's say we can write a list of say these movie names, say Star Wars, then say Terminator, Avengers, Batman Returns, then The Dark Knight, Iron Man, some movies like that. And we right click this and say format control over here, and in format control you have this input range. So you click this input range and select these list over here and click enter, and you can click OK over here. So this list appears inside this list box, and based upon this selection, maybe you want to play out that movie around here inside Excel sheet. So you can use that type of controls to do something inside Excel sheet using the VB code. So all this information gets inputted into the or you can use this input information into your VB code, and based upon that do certain decisions to create some output. So thanks for watching this basic video about what are form controls and how you can use them